So in this video we will see how to make a white square and a yellow square on the opposite side. This is the first step of solving a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. So first of all, see, these are corners. So this one, this one, this one and this one are corners in a 4x4 Rubik's Cube. These two pieces are called edges, 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 and these two are also edges. So all the same similar piece on all the sides are known by these names. So edge, these two edges, corners, corners, corners and corners, edges, these two edges, and these are called centers. So 4 centers in all the sides, 4 centers in all the sides. So what I want to do is I want to make a white center. That means all 4 in the center will be white. This is the first step. So now how to do it? So see, I have the 4 white center pieces in different layers. One is in this layer, one is in this layer, one is in this layer, and the fourth one is in this layer. So this we know that all the center pieces will always be in a center. They will not go to any edge piece. All the edge pieces will always be on the edges. A corner piece will always be on the corners. So we know a white edge, if we want a white center piece, it will be in any of the centers. So one is this, one is this, third is this, and the fourth one is this. Okay, so you can start with any white center piece, start with anyone. So let's say I'm starting with this one. So I found this one. Now see, where's the second one? In this side there is no second one. This side I have a second one. So first thing what we want to make is, we want to make a vertical bar of this white color. We will make 2 vertical bars of this white color and then join it, place it together, one like this, and it will become a square, white square. So if we want to, so one is on this side, one is on this side. So first look on the left or right side. If you have any, I don't have anything in the right. This is one on the left side. On the top I don't have any. On the bottom I have one. Okay, so you can start from any side. I'm starting from left side maybe. So I want all these 2 pieces, this one and this centerpiece together. So how to make it together? If I just try to move this layer like this, then they won't come together. So what to do? If I can bring this piece on top like this, see, this is on top, this is on bottom. Now I can very easily bring it together, but see, these two are not together. These two are not together, they are on the opposite side. I want these 2 pieces to be together, either like this or like this, either on the vertical or in horizontal direction. So what we can do is, again take it back, you can solve it like this. So you can also move this piece also. So in this square you have a white piece on the top left. If I'll have a white piece on the top bottom, this bottom left, then I can easily match it. So see, in this center I have this white piece on the bottom left corner. If I just match it like this, see, this one is on top, this one is on bottom, I can match it directly like this. Let me show you again. So it was here, one was here earlier. So earlier this piece was here. If I directly try to match it, it won't match, it will go to opposite sides. So now to bring it on the same side, I can move it like this, and then if I try to bring it together, so they have come together in a vertical line. ignore all the other pieces. Right now we are only focusing on the square. This, I want to make this white square. So 2 I have done. Now I will see where are the other 2, because I want all the 4 whites. Where are the other 2? They are not on the top, not on the right, not on the left. One is on the bottom and one is on the back. One bottom, one back. So try to remember, because you have made this white side or this white line on this side. So try to remember that this side don't get unsolved again. You can do all the other movements like this, any movement you can do. But if you move this one, this again can get unsolved. So what to do? So you have made this vertical bar. Now find the other piece. Other piece is, one is this and the other one is this. So I don't want to mix this piece. So you can move this piece like this piece on top, from bottom to top, and again see, this piece is on the top left corner, this piece on the top right corner. If I try to bring it together, they won't directly come together. So what we can do, we can try moving it like this. And now if we match this with this, like this, just like this, they are coming on the opposite side. So again you can move this, maybe again try move from here to here, and then if you try to match it, these are matching. But before doing any move, also see, so if I match these two pieces like this, are already made, this white bar is unsolved. So we need to take care of that also. So in that case, what we can do, we can either move it like this, we can make it horizontal. So only thing we need to remember is, don't mix your already made white bar and then try to match the other 2 bars. So this time, this is my already made bar, this is one piece, this is other piece. Now if I try to bring it together like this, so this vertical bar is done and this horizontal bar is done. Now I just want these 2 bars together. So either I can hold this cube like this, hold one of the vertical bars on top like this, and see the other bar. So this is an horizontal bar, I can make it vertical like this. So one is vertical on this side, one is vertical on this side. Our aim is to bring all the vertical bars together like this. So I have got this white square. So this white square we got. Okay, so sometime what can happen is, sometime you might have these 3 pieces and the 4th piece is not there. So how to solve this 4th piece? So to solve this 4th piece, bring that 4th piece on the bottom. So see, bottom, this is on top, either bring it bottom like this, bring it on the other layer. Here I bring it. Now I want to bring this white piece here. So how to bring this white piece on this place? To do that, keep that vertical bar with you, only bring this single piece like this. So this time these 2 are not matching, they are on the opposite side. That means try to move this layer. Now this is on top. If I bring this layer on the bottom now, so see, these 2 are matching now. So we want to match 2 white pieces. This has matched already now. Now what we can do, we can make it vertical like this. And when these 2 are vertical, now you can very easily match it like this. So this white square you are able to make. Now the next step is to make a yellow square. Yellow square should be opposite of this white square. Opposite of this white square means this is the white square, opposite side is this yellow. So I want to make 4 yellow center pieces here together. Now how to do it? We'll do it using the same way without mixing this white side which we have made. So this is the side, opposite side of white. I want all the yellow pieces here. So first try to bring all the yellow pieces. So see, 1 is here, 2 are here in my case. So 3 I have on this layer, white, yellow. But again, so when I brought this yellow piece on the bottom, this white also got mixed. So what to do in this case? How to move this piece from this space to this space without moving this? So one way of doing is you can bring this piece on bottom, move it and keep it on the other side, and then bring that piece back. So this is still done, and I have these 2 pieces. One is not done, that's okay. Now see, where's the 4th piece? These are 2 yellow pieces, this is 3rd. Where's the 4th one? 4th one is here. So again we want to make a bar of these 2 pieces, and then we can easily bring it at this place. So to make a bar, see how we can make a bar of it. This is here, this is here. If I just try to match it like this, it won't match. It won't match. So again we'll try to move it one time and then try to see if it is matching or not. See, it got matched. If this is matching, so this is what we want. This is what we want. So once you have 2 matching pieces like this, now I want these 2 pieces at this place. These 2 pieces at this place. So one way is to directly bring it like this, but by doing it, you see again that white is unsolved. So what to do in this case? Take this here on this layer, move it, bring it back. Still it's the same. So the way to bring it here is bring it to the next layer. So one way is to either take this 2 pieces from here, take to side, take these 2 pieces to side like this, side, and then you can directly bring it on bottom like this, or you can move this piece and bring on the bottom like this. This is also possible, but again if I am doing this, matching this, these 2 are getting unsolved. So to solve this is, what to do is bring these 2 yellow lines below each other. So this is 1, this is 2 line, and this is white. Bring it below. So if you bring it below, so now I can take it on top, move it to the right side, left side, and bring it back. So see, these 2 pieces are now together, and it is solved, and the white is still same, it's not unsolved now. So this is the first step of 4 Rubik's Cube. After this, we'll solve the edges of one side, which we'll cover in the next video. Thank you.